This is the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly weather briefing for the week of September 8th, 2020. Couple of highlights. We are expecting hot and somewhat drier conditions to continue for the next couple of days, but slowly humidity and rain chances are going to creep back into the forecast, and we'll also give you a highlight on the tropics. So the weather map for today, we're seeing that high pressure ridge across the eastern portion of the United States reaching down into the Gulf states start to weaken a little bit. That easterly flow and occasionally bringing a little bit more moisture up towards the region. We're starting to see the rain chances creep into the far southeast. What that means for our forecast for today is we've got highs in the low to mid 90s. The slightly drier dew points are hanging on for just a little bit longer, so it feels a little bit more like the actual temperature, and the heat indices are staying in the 90s as well. Expecting showers and thunderstorms isolated, possibly across the far south. For tonight, we're expecting mostly clear with highs in the low 70s, and temperatures up in the far northeast might actually reach into the upper 60s. So for Wednesday, we are expecting kind of increasing cloudiness across the region and highs in the low to mid 90s. But as we go into the weekend, from Friday on through the weekend, we're expecting increasing chances of showers and thunderstorms as we get into a more of a summer-like pattern. And with this map, we're looking at days 1 through 7 expected rainfall totals, and you can see we're in the 3/4 to inch range or so across much of the state. So currently in the tropics, there is an area of low pressure kind of located about 300 miles southwest of Bermuda. The shower activity has actually increased a little bit since last night, but still somewhat disorganized. Expecting a little bit of additional development in the next 2 or 3 days. Could be a tropical depression, so areas along the eastern seaboard off the Carolinas do need to keep an eye on this one. And then we also have two more named systems out in the Atlantic. They're expected to continue in the Atlantic and eventually curve north, and their tracks are not impacting the country at this point. So in summary, those hot and drier continues a little bit for the next couple of days, but we are seeing increasing humidity and rain chances in the forecast, especially going into the weekend. If you have any questions or need any more additional information from us, please feel free to contact us. Otherwise, have a great day.